Low product quality and yields are a manufacturer's worst nightmare. It can produce high levels of waste, affect equipment reliability, and utilize personnel poorly. If left unresolved, these factors, amongst others, produce an unacceptably low overall equipment effectiveness. Typically, we find the cause of low product quality and yields falls into four distinct categories: manufacturing quality control issues, cumbersome, disconnected product development, insufficient test capacity, and 4, manual or incomplete test inspection. Which category or categories are you experiencing to be the most challenging and why? The answer we hear most from our customers is, I'm not sure. And if you have the same dilemma, then it costs you nothing to have a free consultation from our certified experts. Data science automation engineers and scientists work with your manufacturing personnel to help determine where your OEE is lacking the most and document improvement opportunities to avoiding availability losses, performance losses, and quality losses. But you don't have to just take our marketing words for it. Here's what some of our customers have had to say. DSA demonstrated a quick grasp of very difficult concepts. We really appreciate the new techniques you taught us and explaining what you were doing throughout the entire project. DSA has really taken us to the next level. It took us 10 years to figure out what took you 2 months. DSA's 3 decades now of automating and educating the world's leading companies provides us the cross-sector experience to understand your specific challenges. If you're trying to automate your product development or quality control and inspection processes, then you can benefit from data science automation's unique skills in automation engineering and automated test applications. And remember, automation doesn't have to mean cutting staff. Instead, automation can help your team to streamline their workflow, giving them more time to work on higher priority tasks, which will increase productivity.